Are you looking for the best LI-NING badminton racket? In this video, we want to the top 5 best LI-NING badminton racket on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. LI-NING AYPS 50 Badminton Racket. Precision engineering for unrivaled performance. The LI-NING AYPS 50 badminton racket sets a new standard in badminton excellence with its mechanically optimized racket frame, aerodynamic sectional system, and reset elastic torsion angle. This racket is a testament to precision engineering, delivering unrivaled performance on the court. The mechanically optimized racket frame is a game changer, expanding the sweet spot and elevating defensive capabilities. With this innovation, players can experience enhanced control and responsiveness, making every shot count. The thoughtful design of the frame optimizes the racket's overall performance, providing players with a distinct advantage on the badminton court. The aerodynamic sectional system takes badminton play to new heights, backed by extensive actual testing. This system not only contributes to the racket's massive power but also facilitates a powerful attack. Players wielding the LI-NING AYPS 50 can unleash potent shots with precision, leaving opponents struggling to keep up. One of the standout features is the reset elastic torsion angle, offering a perfect blend of flexibility and torsion resistance. This targeted design ensures that players have the control they need for strategic shots while maintaining the racket's stability. The result is a racket that responds to the player's movements with unparalleled accuracy, enhancing overall gameplay. In conclusion, the LI-NING AYPS 50 badminton racket is a triumph of design and engineering in the badminton world. It combines a mechanically optimized frame, an aerodynamic sectional system, and a reset elastic torsion angle to create a racket that excels in both attack and defense. Elevate your badminton game with the LI-NING AYPS 50, where precision meets power for an exceptional on-court experience. Number 4. LI-NING HC 1900 Badminton Racket. Precision craftsmanship, power, and versatility. The LI-NING HC 1900 badminton racket stands as a testament to the fusion of cutting-edge design, precision craftsmanship, and versatility, catering to the diverse needs of novices on the badminton court. Crafted with a full carbon single shot, this racket is part of a multiple series, ensuring it meets the specific requirements of players at various skill levels. The stable and highly rigid carbon fiber construction of the HC 1900 provides players with a reliable and steady swing, contributing to improved on-court performance. The meticulous hand craftsmanship and use of high-rigidity carbon fiber in the construction not only enhance the racket's elasticity but also significantly boost its durability. This combination results in a racket that not only withstands the rigors of intense gameplay but also delivers greater hitting power, elevating the player's strength and durability on the court. The high-rigidity thin medium tube design of the HC 1900 strikes a perfect balance between offensive and defensive play, allowing players to dominate the field. This design choice, coupled with elastic materials and advanced manufacturing technology, ensures that the racket excels in both power and control. The result is a versatile badminton racket that adapts seamlessly to various playing styles. The mid-bar's rebound performance and torsion resistance are meticulously balanced to accurately transmit power, providing players with precise control over the entire playing field. Whether unleashing powerful offensive shots or executing strategic defensive moves, the LI-NING HC 1900 empowers players to take their game to new heights. In conclusion, the LI-NING HC 1900 badminton racket exemplifies the brand's commitment to excellence in design and performance. With its full carbon construction, stable swing, and versatile design, this racket is a reliable companion for novice players seeking a blend of power, durability, and precise control. Elevate your badminton experience with the LI-NING HC 1900, where craftsmanship meets versatility for an exceptional on-court performance. Number 3. LI-NING AYPM 32 Badminton Racket. A perfect blend of professionalism and soft precision. The LI-NING AYPM 32 badminton racket emerges as a stellar choice for players seeking a perfect fusion of professionalism and a slightly soft racket experience. Tailored for professional intermediate and senior players, this racket excels in delivering precision and performance on the badminton court. The slightly soft racket hardness of the AYPM 32 is a standout feature, offering players a unique blend of responsiveness and comfort. This characteristic ensures that players can enjoy a more forgiving feel during gameplay, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize control and finesse in their shots. Designed for the demands of professional intermediate and senior players, the AYPM32 is a testament to Li-Ning's commitment to meeting the needs of seasoned athletes. The racket's construction is geared towards enhancing the playing experience for individuals who demand a higher level of performance from their equipment. The shaft material, crafted from carbon, further exemplifies the dedication to quality and precision in Li-Ning's badminton rackets. Carbon, known for its lightweight and durable properties, ensures that the AYPM32 remains a reliable companion on the court, capable of withstanding the rigors of intense gameplay. In conclusion, the Li-Ning AYPM32 badminton racket stands out as a prime choice for players who desire a slightly soft racket with a professional edge. Whether you are an intermediate player looking to up your game or a senior player seeking precision and comfort, the AYPM32 delivers a seamless blend of performance and sophistication. Elevate your badminton experience with Li-Ning's dedication to excellence, where precision meets softness for an outstanding on-court performance. Number 2. Li-Ning Tectonic 9 Badminton Racket. Unleashing precision with full carbon power. The Li-Ning Tectonic 9 Badminton Racket emerges as a powerhouse in the world of badminton, boasting the innovative Tectonic 7 and Tectonic 9 full carbon construction. With a racket that comes without strings, this model caters to the needs of professional intermediate and senior players who demand unparalleled precision and power. The Tectonic 7 and Tectonic 9 full carbon technology mark a revolutionary advancement in racket design. These cutting-edge materials not only enhance the racket's overall durability but also provide an exceptional combination of stiffness and flexibility. This results in a badminton racket that delivers unmatched power and responsiveness on the court, giving players a distinct edge in their gameplay. This racket comes without strings, allowing players to personalize their stringing preferences based on their playing style and preferences. This feature ensures that professional intermediate and senior players have the flexibility to optimize their racket's performance to match their unique playing techniques. Designed specifically for the demands of professional intermediate and senior players, the Tectonic 9 badminton racket boasts a shaft crafted from high-quality carbon. This material choice ensures that the racket remains lightweight, durable, and capable of withstanding the intense rigors of high-level gameplay. In conclusion, the Li-Ning Tectonic 9 badminton racket is a game-changer for players who seek the ultimate combination of precision and power. With the revolutionary Tectonic 7 and Tectonic 9 full carbon construction, coupled with the freedom to customize stringing preferences, this racket empowers professional intermediate and senior players to elevate their game to new heights. Li-Ning's commitment to innovation shines through, where the Tectonic 9 meets the demands of the most discerning players for an unparalleled on-court experience. Number 1. Li-Ning AYPS67 Badminton Racket. Precision, power, and advanced shock absorption. The Li-Ning AYPS67 Badminton Racket redefines the playing experience with its high composite density shock absorption system, providing an unparalleled combination of power, precision, and advanced shock absorption technology. At the heart of the AYPS67's innovation is the high composite density shock absorption system. This cutting-edge technology enhances the racket's shock-absorbing ability, ensuring a smoother power transmission during each hit. The result is a racket that allows players to release the full power of their shots, reducing the risk of sports injuries and providing a more comfortable and controlled playing experience. The utilization of the M50 new generation carbon takes the AYPS67 to the next level. This advanced carbon material not only makes the racket lighter but also enhances the rebound effect, offering players a dynamic and responsive feel during gameplay. The improved rebound effect contributes to better shot control, allowing players to execute precise shots with ease. The AYPS67's design philosophy revolves around maximizing power and control while prioritizing player safety. The combination of the shock absorption system and M50 carbon creates a badminton racket that caters to the needs of players seeking a blend of power, control, and reduced impact on the body. In conclusion, the Li-Ning AYPS67 badminton racket stands out as a top-tier choice for players who prioritize advanced shock absorption technology, power, and precision. With its high composite density system and M50 new generation carbon, this racket represents Li-Ning's commitment to innovation and excellence in badminton equipment. Elevate your game with the AYP67, where cutting-edge technology meets superior performance for an exceptional on-court experience.